steak dinners until I ran out of money. And then I just enjoy it, make the most of it, live fast.
If I had £1,500 off my rent, I would most definitely go out more, enjoy myself a lot more.
Probably to get a coffee machine, because the amount of money I spent in the cafes on campus.
I mean, the 200 quid would have been helpful just to keep up with bills.
Having that little extra money just makes things a little bit easier. Less time cooking. I probably would have just spent it on takeaways, to be honest with you. Time is valuable,
I would probably go on some more day trips, make sure I see everywhere in Cardiff, everywhere around Wales. Wales got some beautiful places.
I'll most definitely go either Tesco's or Asda's or even Lidl. It's cheaper. Get food to prepare myself for the first couple of months.
Yeah, I will spend on food. They're like in Treforest campus. They have the amazing breakfast, so just spend there.
I'll probably keep it and put it in my trust fund or something. I'm quite savvy. I'm quite savvy with that.
Couldn't be me. I feel like if first year I would use all that money to go out clubbing, live the uni life. Yeah, actually enjoy it, go into more like events and stuff like that.
As a fashion design student, I would have definitely used it on fabric.
I think when you have the pressure of university and studying and you're trying your best, I think it's really important that you really have to look after yourself as well. So using that money to maybe take yourself on a trip or to just spend time socialising and coming away from the academics for a bit. I think that's really important to make sure that you can give your all to your degree.